Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and both today's problems are going to be about application of the law of probability. Modern biology and genetics is about math, about application of the law of probability. So sometimes we have to refresh ourselves on how to solve this type of problems. And the first problem is a die is thrown once. What is the probability that the score is a factor of 6? So here is a die, it has 6 surfaces. And the numbers are going to be as follows. So we have 1 on one side, 2 on the other side, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What is a factor of 6? It is any number that can divide 6 without a remainder. For example, we can divide 6 by 1, and we are going to get 6. So by 1, we can divide 6 by 2, and we are going to get 3. We can divide 6 by 3, and we are going to get 2. And we also can divide without a remainder 6 by 6, and we are going to get 1. So as you see, our answer is going to be 4 out of 6 would be a probability that our die would land on any of these numbers, but we can reduce this number by 2. So we are going to get 2 over 3. And as you see, this is answer C. And the second question even easier. The spinner is spun until it lands on one of the 5 edges of the pentagon. What is the probability that the number it lands on is odd? Take a look. We have 5 edges here. And what is the odd number? Odd number would be the number that is not dividable by 2. It's going to be 1. It's going to be 3 and 5. So 3 out of 5. And as you see, this is answer D. The probability that spinner would land on odd number is going to be 3 out of 5. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.